Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got a super cool circular saw at a very affordable cost from the company named Woodstarter. So Woodstarter has let us do reviews on their batteries in the past, as well as like their nail gun. All of their parts and pieces that they've sent us have been exceptional, and this is no exception to that result here. So this is an awesome circular saw here. I want to share with you guys just how quickly the setup is. It took less than 2 minutes to assemble this. All you gotta do is remove the front screw, slide in your blade, and then reattach the screw, and then you can add in the guide. So the guide you can do either face up so you can store it, or face down so you can use it as an actual guide. And then you also have the option for a dust collector, which just inserts right in here like this, and you add a screw on there. I think the screw fell out of the box in shipping for mine, but I'm not going to use this anyways because I don't want to have a hose attached to it, but that is an optional piece. So with that said, in the box, you get this charger here, which is compatible with Woodstarter's batteries, which I highly recommend. I love Woodstarter's batteries. They hold up well. I recently did a review on like a 4-month update to that. They do degrade a little bit over time, but not much. And I do highly recommend their batteries here. But it will charge the Woodstarter batteries as well as Makita batteries. So if you have Makita power tools, this is going to be a great option to add to your collection because you'll be able to swap the batteries in and out with those batteries that you have. Now with that said, let me go ahead and quickly show you how easily this just cuts through like a cut off piece of wood that we had. And then you can use that guide as a range to get like precise cutoffs. And I'm going to show you that here in just a second. But with that said, what we're going to do is we're going to get a closer look at this, and I'm going to show you in detail the specs and features of this. But overall, I can highly recommend this. If you guys are interested in this, I'm going to put some links down below, but let's talk about this in a closer look here. All right, you guys, so now let's take a really close look in detail what this thing can all do here. First up, it comes with this battery. The battery is very futuristic here. You push the button on the back and the LED indicator is on the side now instead of the back. Gives it that futuristic look. It also has a smooth action to click into place. I really love Woodstarter's batteries. I've always asked them for more and more because I can't get enough of them. They work great. You also have the ability to use your dust extraction tool that I told you about before. You just kind of put it there, you add a screw right here, and then you can add your own dust extraction vent right here if you want to. I'm not going to use that personally, but you can do that if you want to. The other thing is the assembly, like I showed you, is super easy. Just use the Allen wrench that is included right in here on your blade right up here, and then you slide your blade in and then reattach it. You have the actual cover itself that is movable with this lever right here. And then the coolest thing that is included on this that you don't see with most circular saws is the included rip tool here. So if you need to rip an entire line of wood at exactly like 2 inches or a little over 2 inches like I have it at now, you can loosen this screw right here and move this back and forth and align it to the exact measurement you want, and then have the exact size cut off over and over and over again. You can also loosen this screw here to make the entire plate shift left or right on the unit there. So if you need to cut at an angle, you can do that. And then last but not least, you have this lever here. If you loosen this lever here, you can actually tilt the entire front and back as well. So you have all sorts of options with this tool. It is an amazing tool. I really recommend it. Links are in the description below if you're interested. If you have questions, let me know and I'll be happy to answer them, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.